Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the passcode lock option on the Zoho Invoice application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Then scroll down till you find the Others section and click on Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section and click on the first passcode lock. Tap on Turn passcode on and then come up with a passcode that you can remember and you are willing to use. So type it in again to confirm it, and as you can see it has been activated. If you want to, you can change it by going back to this section, tapping on the second button, enter your current passcode, and if you want to change it to a new one, type it in and confirm it by typing it again. So it has been changed. You can also set when would you like it to be required as you tap on the third button, such as immediately after 1, 5, 15 minutes, 1 hour or 4 hours. So tap on the relevant one, and that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.